Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by my little channel here at Hobie's Garage Barbecue. We're going to do some smoked and grilled salmon and asparagus, and then some grilled corn. The corn won't get any smoke because it's going to be wrapped in foil. We're going to need some Zap seasoning here on the right, some garlic salt, some oil infused with garlic as well, black pepper, I don't have any fresh unfortunately, butter, corn on the cob, asparagus, and then the salmon. So let's get going here. We're going to grill it on a Weber gas grill. This little baby right here. It's the Genesis E310 to be exact. Alright, let's get our asparagus going here. You can cut these if you want. I have found that if you just break them apart at the natural break point, you're going to have some really tender spears left over. So you never get a chewy wood type any of that left in your food. So anyways, we're all done here. This is gonna go, that stuff's gonna go in the compost. You can put your asparagus in a bag or a dish like I did, and here's the garlic oil. Some really good stuff. Try it out. We happen to be huge garlic fans here. So this is going to be garlic, about between 2 and 3 tablespoons, and black pepper and garlic salt. Now, people make things, asparagus and other things, all different ways, but this is just one way that we do it. I also sometimes put grated Parmesan cheese fresh on here. Goes good on asparagus. Told you we like garlic, right? Have you tried leaving your corn in the husks before you grill? I have, or while you grill. I have, and it's good. I've also boiled my corn. I'm not going to lie, I've cooked it every way you can think of. But this way here is the way I do it most common. Put butter on it first, then my seasoned salt. Here it's all the savory things you would imagine, but it's mostly salt. Got all the ingredients you would imagine, plus some secret ones. But anyways, it's going to be wrapped up really tight. And so what's going to happen is that butter is going to not only flavor it at the end, it's still going to be in there, but it's going to help that corn to steam cook. Should be really good. So the corn's actually going to take longer than the other food. So the corn's going to be on the grill as it warms up on the top grate. So let's get this salmon prepared with more garlic oil, you guessed. What I'm going to season it with is mainly the Zap pack you see here. It's from Little Caesars. I don't know if you have Little Caesars in your state. It's a pizza chain, but they just recently started selling this stuff, and I picked it up by an impulse buy when I was in there, and it's really good. It's like a Mediterranean seasoning on steroids. It's just super flavorful. So I thought this would go really good with fish. Follow it up with some black pepper. Should be really good. So the asparagus is going to take about 10 minutes to grill, and the salmon is going to take about close to 15. Corn on the cob will be done in a total of maybe 20 minutes. So as I said, it's going on first. this black pepper on here. I'm already getting hungry. Great day for grilling. I think Haley there and Kenny here, I think they agree. Let's get some wood in there. So I will not be doing indirect grilling this time. It's going to be medium heat all around, with the right side being jacked up high to keep that wood burning. So here's some butter and oil, as you just saw. I don't have a saucepan to make it on the stove or outside, or I would. See that smoke? Alright, so here's the melted butter in the oil, and this is my smoked rock, Himalayan rock salt, accompanied by paprika here. And topped off with some lemon. This is for after the fish is done, as I said, and as you could probably guess. But here we go.
It's a perfect shot. Somebody knows.
You can really see the smoke, so that's good.
Where we switched it out.
Alright, let's check them out. 2 minutes later. We are not going to flip them, but we are going to rotate them slightly. Just want to get it all over sear marks on the surface. Put it back down for about 3 minutes, maybe a little bit more. We want probably 6 or 7 minutes per side for these salmons. Fillets to get to the right temperature. Holy crap. Look at that.
The lighting is really good too. Just on this, it makes everything look golden.
Yeah. Perfect time of year and something, I guess.
And it's the perfect hour.
Yeah. So salmon needs to be cooked to a minimum temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit to be safe and taste good as well. Best way to tell that is by some sort of instant read thermometer, which I have here. Those two behind need to catch up. We'll oil up with the oil and butter, I should say, the salmon, and even a little bit of extra to the asparagus that Jesse thought of doing. Doing a fine job. Wish you guys could smell this. Alright, let's get those two stragglers. They've come up to temperature finally. Okay, Jessica, I see you already bit into it.
Yeah.
All right, try the, ooh, easy. That's got sharp edges. Try the salmon for the camera.
That's
Please.
great explanation. We are having a great summer so far.
Oh wow, this is very tender.
Hope to see
Oh,
you
big
guys
bite.
soon too.
Is it good?
Very, very good.